In case your layers are different shapes, what you can also do is you can go ahead and combine, subtract, intersect, and exclude the shapes out as you like. So to do that, let me just go around and make this particular circle right here and make another circle as well. And now I'm going to go around over here onto this particular circle, select out the shape and change the color as I want. So now what you can do is you can select out these shapes right here just like this. So both of these are selected. Then you can go around onto layer and go to combine shapes. You can go ahead and click on unite to go around and unite both of the shapes as you can see right here. And this is the layer as you have. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here again, and then what you can also do is you can go around over here onto layers and then go to combine shapes and subtract it out right here. So once you do that, you can see that the top layer actually subtract out the shape beneath and you get this as a result just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z again right here, and then you can go around over here onto layer and then you can also intersect so that you can see that only the intersection right here is left just like this. The shape outline is still there as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and then go around over here onto layer and then go to combine shapes and exclude it out right here, and this is what you have. So these are the shapes as you can see just like this, and you can go ahead and add another shape as you want right here just like this. Select out the shapes right here. So let's just go around and select out the shapes and then go around over here onto, let's say for example, combine shapes and exclude it out as well, and this is the result that you have at the end. So let's say for example I want this rasterized, then I can simply go around and right click and rasterize out the layers so that you get the final shape just like that. And you can go ahead and work around with it as you like right here. Add in a shadow, let's say for example, or you can go ahead and then we'll go for a gradient overlay or go around for drop shadow to get the effect as you want just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and combine, subtract, intersect, and exclude shapes inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.